are listening to the Pathfinder Guru Podcast, where we help you to become a greater leader. Join us as we take the Advent message to all the world in our generation. So, are you ready to become a guru in this ministry?
Attention. Welcome to the Pathfinder Guru Podcast, and thank you very much for joining us. I hope that you're doing well and you're safe under the shadow of God's wonderful wings. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to promote your Pathfinder Club online. This is a very important topic that is happening today in this episode that we need to discuss. Online has improved in the past years, whereby when somebody wants information about something, you get it online. It has become more reliable and is a form of promoting. It is a form of advertising yourself, your products, or your company, or whatever the case may be. Now, when you bring it to the Pathfinder Ministry on itself, it is a world movement that is mandated by the mandate of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. And once we try to promote ourselves in our respective local communities, it will become much more easier for people to find a reference point, to know that this world Pathfinder things that I'm seeing around happening in Egypt, happening in America, it is here right at the back of my yard, or here at the back of my community, or in the community itself. So we need to find ways of ensuring that we promote ourselves in a more efficient way online. And how can we do this? Now, in everything that you're doing, in every program that you're doing, try by all means to promote it online and ensure that your captions are captioning the name of where you are, the community that you're in. Yes, there are some clubs that may have a name, but once you utilize a reference point, when somebody searches something related to that neighborhood, you are able to pop up on Facebook, pop up even on the internet itself, because you are using the correct words, the correct captions, so that you appear in that particular space, in that particular community, because you are a Pathfinder club that is coming from that particular community. So ensure how you post, whether it's a video, whether it's a picture, whether it's an announcement, ensure that you are relevant and you're posting things that will attract people, that will know where you are, so that they are able to come to your particular church and they are able to find out more about this beautiful ministry called the Pathfinder Club. And once you do that, things will be easy. Now, things that you can post. Now, most of the time, we end up posting only when we have activities, but we cannot keep the pages running because there's something that is not happening on that particular day or on that particular month. You need to ensure that your posters are being posted, your pages are always active, so that people can know that you are relevant. Don't post now and wait another 6 months, but keep it going. Now, things you can post that will keep your pages going, regardless of whether you have a program or not, is when you post things like your Happy Sabbath posters, your quotes of the day, activities that you're doing. You have practices that you're doing, showcase everything that you're doing online, ensuring that people are knowing about the club and things are okay. Yes, you need to give out consent to parents so that they understand when they see their children on Facebook. It is because you're trying to promote the club. Always make them to be on the same page, because once they're on the same page, you are going to receive full support of them. And it makes it much more easier. The World Pathfinder Day is coming. Prepare something for 2 weeks building up to the Pathfinder Day, so that you know that you have a solid 2 weeks content to build up to the Pathfinder Day, and things become much more easier like that. Now, we have Pathfinders who are now starting to be online. They're having TikTok, they're having Instagram, and we need to find ways of protecting them from social media, from cyberbullying and things which will affect them in the long run. Now, as leaders, it is your part and duty to give out such knowledge, to ensure that they understand, to ensure that how they can protect themselves. They should not post things that will make them vulnerable or put them in danger. So you need to be vigilant. Teach them what are things that they need to look out for, how to protect themselves. They can do the social media honor so that they can get an understanding of social media and able to protect themselves from any malicious or things that may happen to them. Also, when you give them the tools, they are able to give other people the tools as well to protect and defend themselves online, because everything right now is online. And once we are able to protect them from each and everything that is happening, and we're able to guide them, we're able to tell them about online safety and all the things that is related to that, they will be at a particular stage where they know how to utilize social media and how to post and how to not post things that are bad and things that will affect you in the long run. Educate the Pathfinders so that they can be equipped to doing things which are right, so that when all is said and done, they may utilize their platforms for good, which is to spread the word of God. I hope that in this short episode today, we are able to understand that we need to promote the ministry in our respective communities so that they may see us at social medias, see us wherever we may be. Let us be relevant so that parents can be assured in the community that this is indeed a movement that cannot be stopped by anything. But for now, you are dismissed.